Jill Walsh and I'm a partner at Acto-Pickering Metal Industries. The key to my success is, from the days as a 17-year-old reception, is perseverance, is resilience, and really a passion for what I do. I believe in what I do. I enjoy every day. The type of future I see is around the diversity of the sectors that we have in Victoria. Food fibre, technology, defence, transport, I could go on and on. It's an amazing configuration, and we have some of the absolutely best operators and manufacturers. I think the story is not told well enough and often enough.